Why is being organized so important?
Yeah, well, I think it's important because clutter causes stress. So think about this, when was a time that you may have looked in an overflowing closet or a really disorganized pantry and you got really anxious or nervous or overwhelmed? Like that happens to me if I see really disorganized spaces. And so, you know, um, this has been backed up by a number of studies. For example, the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin found back in 2009 that people who live in cluttered homes are much more likely to be depressed, more likely to be fatigued, and to even have higher cortisol levels. And so, the opposite of that is true, right? There are health benefits to being organized. It can have a positive impact on what you eat. It can help you sleep better. It can, lower your risk for a cardiovascular event. And so, it's important because we all owe it to ourselves to be as healthy as possible. And one component of being healthy is being organized.